day. Out on the ocean. My wife is in the infinity pool over here. Okay, so we're on the aft of the ship on the port side, and we are heading back to our room. But we just went to the infinity pool. Now we're going to walk over the infinity bridge. Cuidado. Atención. Don't look down. Pretty cool. I don't know where screaming is coming from. Actually, you know what I would like to do? Go on the upper deck. See what's going on up there. Huh? I don't know if it's 18. Here's the hot tub that's below us. We look at when we go up. Let's walk to the front if we can. I don't know if we can. And here's the hot tubs, infinity hot tubs.